You guys want to know what's going on next Tuesday night on Tuesday Night Live? You got to hear from me again. Let's talk about building the value to the consumer. We just finished a job where the car had been to 2 dealerships and a couple independent shops, had been charged thousands of dollars, didn't fix the repair on the vehicle. We fixed it, and believe it or not, she was happy as heck to pay. Yes, she is. In fact, she's so happy about what we did, she's going to do a video for you to prove that what we do and how you interact with your customer is important, and that you can achieve a lot by going ahead and communicating. Yes, that's a pretty important word. Communicating with the customer and explaining things in a proper way. Now, this isn't the way of that, well, ma'am, you know, that ECM isn't working with that TPS and that O2 isn't working with the short fuel trim. No, this is customer interaction. So stay tuned. Tuesday night, you're stuck with me, it appears.